Hi everyone, I'm Bindus. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of the new plumbing kit designed for Rinnai water heaters. It's going to be shipped flat like this. So when it arrives, there are two nuts to loosen up so that these two pipes move back. This is not the official installation video, this is just quickly demonstrating how this all works. The next step is to connect to the Rinnai isolation valves. So these are unions on top of the plumbing board. Separate male adapters. Install them into the Rinnai valves. The temperature gauge, pull out, let that get to room temperature. Once we have it to this point, we're simply going to connect, make sure you don't lose the rubber washers, connect the unions back together. All the connections are labeled. So this is coming in from the water heater hot. This is going out to the water heater cold. Once it's connected, we would then go through, tighten up all the fittings here, make them hand tight, and then 1/2 to 3/4 turn with a wrench, as that's all you'll need for these. We have the two connections going out to the aqua coil here, the cold water in from the street, and the hot water going out to the house. Once the gauge has reached room temperature, there's a little nut on a little screw on the back. You would turn that so the temperature gauge matches the existing room temperature. Slide it back in. The last part is the automatic air bleed. This gets installed at the highest part of the plumbing loop, up near the pump, usually. But again, the reason this is out is because it could be anywhere, so whatever the high point is. And it'll just be installed in this configuration, so as air goes up, it bleeds through the top cap. And that's all there is to it.